Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to new phone. This method is going to be available or used for Android and iPhone. It is going to be the same. We're going to open up our device and then we are going to head over our the app store of ours, and then we are going to type in Microsoft Authenticator. If we have the app already, all you need to do is to open it and then you're going to see your account. Basically is going to have the passwords of all of the needs of yours, your accounts, and etc. You can go ahead and manage them, have the password generator, or add manually your website username and also the password. This is going to facilitate the task of connecting or signing in into your account and etc. So let's say that we have this account, we have some passwords, and we want to transfer them into a new phone or a new device. It is going to be very easy. You are going only to head over the Not Authenticator. You need to remember the Microsoft, as you can see here, account of yours at the top, and then we are going basically to head over the account, or let's say that we are going to delete it from this device. We're going to head over the Scratch app. So we are going to maybe reinstall the app, and it is going to be considered as a new phone. You're going to do that step for this app if you're going to have it as a new phone. So what we're going to do basically is to have the specific app installed within the new phone, and after that we're going to wait for it, and until then we're going only to have our Microsoft account that we have installed into this device, or the previous app installed in here. So I'm going to open up real quick. I'm going to show you the specific tip that we can have the account. And as you can see, I'm going to respect or accept the privacy and also the improvement. Now you can go ahead and see that we have sign in with Microsoft, or I can go ahead and have and click on restore from backup. This is going to be a backup that, or the specific method that is going to be also a backup. Either you are going to have the backup, so you're going to click on settings, and then if you're going to use a backup, you can go ahead and use the iCloud backup if you're going to be on iPhone, or the standard backup on Android. Or you can go ahead and do not need the backup if you remember your account, and then you're going to add your Microsoft account just like that. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.